back to my channel. So for today I'm going to be doing a wig video. This is actually my first wig that I have ever owned. I always make my wigs from bundles, so I'm not experienced when it comes to installing just straight up wigs. But I think considering, my lack thereof of skills, I did pretty good. It took me like no time at all. I did a very, very lazy girl, thing to get this thing on my head. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so I have had these braids in my head for a while, which is why they look like this. But I'm just going to throw this wig cap on. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you guys the wig. It is Absolute Luxury Upscale, and it's 100% virgin Remy human hair. And the one that I have is deep part lace wig, straight 26 inches, and the color is natural. This hair is actually really soft. I don't remember what the density is, but it is a lower density. I think it's like 130. So this is how the lace looks. It's just lace in the front of it, and then pretty much where the part is in the middle. It does have some combs on the side, and then a comb in the back, as well as a little adjustable strap. And I'm really lazy when it comes to wigs. I don't do like the bald cap method or anything. I don't, it's too much work. So I'm just gonna see what I can do without doing that. So I'm just gonna take some tweezers and just pluck at the part a little bit because it's a little bit too thin. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the lace off. Again, this is very lazy, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and then I'm gonna try to make this work the best way that I can, and then I will style it. Okay, so all I did was cut the lace, and then I also just did my edges in the front, and I just used some Got2b. So now I'm just going to take my wig cap and pretty much line it up exactly where my baby hairs end. And then I'll put the wig back on. But while my edges are setting, I'm just going to style the length of the hair. So like I said, this hair is 26 inches, but it doesn't really feel like 26 inches. Stand up. See? It's more like 20. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style the hair. This is straight hair, but it's been packaged up for a while, so it's not really straight anymore. But I'm going to throw some quick curls in them really quick. Alrighty, so I'm done curling. I have to redo this one, but done curling. It didn't take long at all. Okay, so now I'm going to use some of my face powder to work with the lace. So I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder and Cocoa and just this little. And I also went in with some black eyeshadow to kind of conceal the lace in the very front, but I did that after the fact. Pencil type of brush. Alright, so this is it after I have styled it and everything. And honestly, considering my lack of skills when it comes to wigs, I think that it looks pretty good. I know how long this is, but it's definitely not 26 inches, but I'm not mad at it. Kind of do need something shorter. So I actually like this length, and I think that the density is, I don't actually know. I'm pretty sure I saw somewhere though that it's 130% density, which is also less than I'm used to because usually my wigs are very, very full that I make myself. But again, I really like this. It just looks way more natural and just easier to deal with. So I actually really, really like this. Now, if you are looking for something that is 26 inches and like full, this might not be for you. But this isn't what I expected, obviously, but I'm actually really, really liking this. The hair is very, very soft. I only got a few tangles, and that's because I was using a very skinny comb. But yeah, I didn't really have any issues with that. As you can see, it curled very, very easily and nicely. So yeah, so that's about it for this video. I'll have all the details about this hair and everything about Sam's Beauty down in the description box. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified every time that I post. So that is it, and I'll see y'all in my next one.